Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I take you by the hand and teach you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. I've been doing a series on a brand new CAD pattern drafting software, an easy to use CAD pattern drafting software that I just discovered online. Now, if you're one of those that just do not want to learn CAD pattern drafting, CAD stands for Computer-Aided Pattern Drafting, because you feel that the learning curve is too long. This software is for you. The only downside is that it is not a free software. I always search for softwares that is free so that whoever wants to learn can have all the time in the world to use it and learn. But if that is what you really want, I have a playlist on how to use Simly 2D to generate CAD patterns, and it is linked directly below this video. But in this video, I'm going to be continuing my series on White Rabbit CAD pattern drafting software. I also have a playlist. The first two videos, I showed you how to download and install White Rabbit on your Windows computer. So if you have not watched that, go ahead and watch that. In the second video, I talked about the pattern drafting tools. I took you through the pattern drafting tools of White Rabbit CAD pattern drafting software. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly, in less than 10 minutes, generate your basic blocks. That is your basic block for your top and your skirt block. Now, that's the amazing thing about White Rabbit CAD pattern drafting software. It is very easy to do. You don't need to generate anything from scratch. All you need is to use the patterns they've already given you and just adjust it to your size. And once you've done that, the sky is your limit to be able to design whatever you want from your basic pattern. That is what this video is all about. And if that is what interests you, stay tuned and let's go and start. This is my White Rabbit CAD icon on my computer. And I must first of all say that this is the third in the series of how to use White Rabbit CAD. I discovered this online and I just discovered that I think it's about the most easiest CAD pattern drafting software that any beginner can use. And the good thing is that you can try your hands on it, practice with it as long as you want. The only thing is that whatever you create, you cannot download and you cannot save it until you pay for their subscription. I did all that explanation in the first and second video for this White Rabbit. If you want to go ahead and watch that video, I will post it below this video. You can go ahead and click on the playlist and watch how to download it, and also watch how to understand all these pattern making tools you have on the right side of this CAD pattern drafting software. Today, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your basic block without any form of long stress. That is because when you download White Rabbit, it comes with a template. And for you to access that template, you just go to File and then go to Open. And then go to Examples. If you double click on it, you now see Basic Block and Flat Template Female. So we'll just click on the basic block and that is it. You'll see the base. That is what they use to construct it. You'll see the bodies. That is this one that you can adjust to fit your own figure. And of course, you see the dress that you can also adjust and work with as much as you want. Please ensure that you watch the video before this video that actually showed you how to use these pattern drafting tools. Because whatever style you're going to be making, you need to know how to use these tools to be able to adjust this however you want. Now, this size, I think, is size 10 that they used to create this. So let's say we want to just do a bodice right here. Let me just so let's say you want to create this in your own size. If you come here to tables and you come to size chart, you see sizes here. For me, it's size 14. It's closer to my body size. So you can check which one is closer to your body size so you can use these measurements and just adjust it the way you want. But I'm not going to be doing that because I have my exact measurement that I did on Simly 2D. Let me look for it. It's right here. That is my exact measurement that I downloaded from Simly 2D. If you do not know what Simly 2D is, Simly 2D is a completely free CAD pattern drafting software that you can use to learn CAD pattern drafting, CAD dress pattern drafting. I have a whole playlist that takes you through how you can use Simly 2D. This video is not about Simly 2D. I just want to let you know that you can, of course, use your exact measurements to be able to adjust this basic block without having to create it from scratch. So how do you do that? What you need basically to adjust for me is the bust, and of course the waist, and of course the shoulder to the waist. So those are the basic measurements you need. I have here my bust measurements front. My bust measurement for the front is 53 centimeters. But because this is half, it's going to be 26.5 centimeters. So what I will do, I will just go down here, click on this tip, bring it here, and I'm going to measure to see this bust. What exactly is it? So once you do that, if you look up here, right here, measurement length, that is the measurement of the quarter bust front for this pattern. That is 23.28. And my own bust quarter is 26.5. That means I need about 2.88. No, let me see. This is 23.29. And mine is 26.50. So I need about 3.2 something. So I need it to be 3.2 something. But I'll just draw the ruler again and I'm going to extend it and I'll keep looking to see where that 26 stops, you know. So that's about it. It's supposed to be 26, but that is okay. You don't get the picture. So that gives you a clue that, okay, you need to extend this up to here. And then, of course, just square it down here, like so. That is what it means. And of course, you need to square this up to also meet where that stops. And then bring it down to meet here. Most times, it's better to always adjust from the side, not from the center. Because your bust point to bust point should be virtually it shouldn't be touched because that is how you create your darts, your bust point to bust point. Later we'll come and measure whether this bust point to bust point is equivalent to my own bust point to bust point. So that is it. That's how you use it. Use your ruler, you measure, you see how you're going to shift it. So now we are done with that. Let's see. Let's measure here to here. Here is supposed to be half of your bust point. Should be from here to the center of the dart. Center of the dart is around here. And that is 9.23. My bust point to bust point is 20. So, but divided by 2 is 10 centimeters. So that means I need just a little bit of shift here, here, a little bit of it to meet my bust point. Not so much shifting, you know. So essentially, That is all you need to do. And how do you shift to be able to get that? You simply use this move point. When you click on it, you see that points have come out that you can just shift the way you want. So let's say I want to shift this a little bit. I can just do that. You see, I will just do that and shift it to be what it's supposed to be. Just do that to meet up there. And then here I was supposed to shift that a little bit. And once you do that, this has to come down a little bit because it's slanty. You see how easy it is to do. It's not, I mean, when I saw this thing, I was so excited over this. I was so excited. I said, God, it's so easy. It's just like using paper. It's just like using paper to do your patterns. No stress whatsoever. Okay, now we've done that. You go back and click on it to, remove it. Then let's just take our measurement again. Let me measure this here to here. That is 8.9599. It's still not up to what I want. And then let's measure this bust here. And this here is 26.30. Almost there. But you get the picture. That is how easy it is. Once you're done with all that, you know, it's so easy. Let's come back here and let's adjust it a little bit more. Let me adjust this a little bit more. Just a little bit. Let's measure it once again. It's more than what I'm supposed to get. This one is still a little bit less. So that's what you will do. You keep adjusting until you get your size. It's just as simple as that. I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to show you that, you know. Just wanted to show you that. And the amazing thing is that all the patterns here, as you're adjusting it, it is being adjusted. So you can actually use it as it is here like this. Once you're done with it, you just click on it and take it to another sheet to be able to work on it and do whatever style you want to do. That is the amazing part. That's the amazing thing about this. It's so amazing, eh? You know? So that is it. Use your ruler to measure that everything is okay for the back and the front using the method I just showed you. Very simple method. All you have to do now is to come here where you have the pattern. As I said, as you're adjusting it, it is adjusting itself. It will show you here. So once you come here, you right click on it with your mouse and then click on add to sheet. Then you click on new sheet. So it will add to a new sheet for you to, that's it right here. That's pattern 01. Then you come here too, that's the back. You right click on it. You do also add to sheet. New sheet. So that's it. So you can play with this one as much as you want. You know, you can play with them, adjust them anyhow you want it. Just adjust it. So let me see. I click on here, add to sheet, current sheet. So I have the two of them in one place. So now you can play with it. You can adjust your that. You can create gathers. You can do whatever you want, whatever style you want. You can change this to V, change this to, you can create a collar, you can create a what do they call it? A suit style, whatever you want, which I'm going to be doing in my subsequent videos. We are going to use this basic block to create some beautiful blouses just from this, subsequently. For instance, if you want to work on the dart, yeah, knowing that this is now your size, you're using your size to be able to adjust and do whatever you want. Let's say I just want to move the dart, maybe this side dart, I want to move it here. I will just, or let's say I want to move it, where will I move this side dart to? Let me just say, so what you can do is you just come here to that, and once you click on that, it even tells you what to. It says select the pattern piece you want to work with. Let's say I want to work with this one. So I just right click and select it. And then click the apex of the dart you want to move. Let's say I want to move this one. And then I have to select the fixed dart leg. Which dart leg is going to move, which is going to be fixed. Since I'm taking it this way, this is going to be the fixed one. This is the one I'm going to move. And then I am going to just create where I want to move it to. I hope I'm correct. What's up? There, there. So you move that. Let's say I want to move it here. I'll just click on it there and it moves. So you see, you can do anything you want with this. You can change it to whatever style you want. You can even merge the darts, maybe convert it all to one dart. Anything is doable with White Rabbit CAD pattern drafting software. I've been trying my hands on it, and there are still a lot of things I'm yet to really get used to. But the little that I've done, it's really, really exciting. The kind of styles I'm going to be using this to generate. So with this, I've come to the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you're getting value from all my videos. I told you it was easy. You see how easy that was to do? So if you have not downloaded White Rabbit CAD pattern drafting software, go ahead and download it. Even if it is a paid software, you have the ability to use it as long as you want, completely free. The only thing is that whatever you design, you cannot download, you cannot save. But you have the opportunity to try your hands on it, use it, and see really how easy it is. Doing is believing. Don't just listen to what I said. Download it, try your hands on it, and you will see how easy it is really to use it. If you enjoyed anything from this video, if you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. These are the only things I'm asking from you, because I'm teaching you things that people will charge you to teach you. So thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching. Till my next video.